Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on SPY, IWM, and QQQ. Glad to be back. So SPY bulls buying the dip today, and just like it is with every bearish reaction, every bearish candlestick, which certainly is not often, we have to see what kind of follow-through can the bears put together after things have settled down. So once an overnight session has passed, can we see follow-through to the downside and strength for the bears? And we saw a gap down open, and the bulls showed up and closed at the high of the day. So time and time again, the answer is no. The bears cannot see any downside. So we have the low of 2 Thursdays ago. That's the key support for me. 245.68, key level. That is holding. So as long as that level holds, the daily chart looks just fine for the bulls. Higher lows maintained intact. So now we are looking to see what kind of follow-through can the bulls put together tomorrow. We don't have many resistance levels until the new all-time high. 248 and then 248.91 are the only two resistances I'm looking at with Bollinger Bands tightening. The weekly time frame here, indecision 3 weeks in a row, but holding exponential support, and it's going to require weakness on the daily chart, so it's not even worth watching that weekly chart unless we start to see weakness on the daily chart. Then we can look over to the weekly and get some more details in that time frame. IWM has been the weakest by far for weeks. We've been pointing that out. So a bear flag confirmed with further downside today. Lower highs and lower lows is now the pattern. 100-day moving average support is 138.47, and we have a little gap to the upside at 139.69. We'll see if the bulls are able to get over that level. But as of right now, the bears are in full control of IWM, and the weekly chart is taking out some key support levels here. We already lost the exponential moving averages. We're close to a bearish TCG cross. Bearish MACD cross already occurred long ago. But if we lose this middle Bollinger Band for the first time in a few months, we're looking down at the next support level for IWM, down in the mid 134, 135 range. So the bears are in full control at this point. We have to regain the middle Bollinger Band on the daily in order to regain some momentum, as that rejected the high of the bull attempt yesterday. So IWM bears in full control. No sign of the bulls showing up at this point. A little bit of a lower wick. And we're going to have to get over exponential resistance. Ever since the bears took over, multiple rejections from exponential resistance on the daily time frame. QQQ, we've got the bulls buying the gap down open here as well, holding the low of Thursday, 142.30. So the bulls maintaining control and staying strong. In terms of resistance, I'm looking at 142, make that 144.19 and 145.47. So bulls holding the middle Bollinger Band. And again, it's the same thing as SPY. As long as that Thursday low from 2 weeks ago holds, the bulls maintain strength. Weekly time frame for QQQ, same thing, indecision. Exponential support holding, and that's all that matters. Hold that exponential support on the weekly time frame, and you can't be much stronger than that. So bulls in full control, buying the dip today, closing near the high of the day. And now the question is, how long can this 2 weeks ago Thursday low continue to hold? That's the key level that needs to break for any kind of bearish thoughts, in my opinion. I appreciate you watching, and we'll check back in tomorrow.